excited that
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali. In today's episode, we are going out to Tory Burch Cafe, which has just opened up in Delhi, and after that we might go for a movie, and by we I mean me and my friend Saloni. We might go for a movie, Devil Wears Prada, and I'm really excited to watch that movie. Like, I've been waiting for part 2 since so long, and finally it is here. But it is a very sunny day outside. Yesterday it rained a bit, but उसके बाद वापस से धूप निकल आई है, तो you know how the weather is here in Delhi NCR, in fact all over India. But yeah, this is what my fit is. It's a cord set from Westside. I love blue color in summers. It soothes my eyes. I feel so refreshed wearing such colors in summers, and especially something which is cotton. Like, it is a very good cotton fabric. So I'm really happy that I chose this, and now we are heading out, so let's just go and I'll see you guys once I reach there. Also guys, say hi to my new pair of sunglasses. I was eyeing on them since such a long time, but finally I got these. These are frameless from Miu Miu. I love these frames, and these frames look so good on my small face. Like, it captures my entire face without looking too bulky, and I just love the tint that there's a shade going on from blue to no tint at all. Like, I can wear it in daytime and as well as nighttime. So yeah, it really looks good, and I'm literally living in these days. So today also I'm gonna wear this, so let's go. So I've just left. It's 4:30 right now and I have to be there by 5:30, and it's showing me 55 minutes ETA. So we are good with the ETA, and yeah, it's so sunny right now. I am meeting Saloni directly over there because she had a meeting to attend, so she's gonna come directly to that place. So that's the plan. So I've come to the location and there's a waiting for 2.5 hours, but I already have a table, so let's see. Hi. Hello. Vlog.
new glasses also.
Yeah. Matching with the outfit.
Reverse.
नहीं होता. So Saloni took some of my pictures, but the lighting is not great. It was okayish.
What do you have to say? We'll try more, and some were really good.
Yeah, some were good, but the lighting is off. My hair is not tearing.
And I think I'm also a little unfazed.
She's lost that touch.
I never had it.
You had it during COVID. She used to click my pictures.
We were regular at that time.
And also our coffee is here. It says Tory Burch.
Cheers.
Mine is the cranberry one.
This is the latte, but it's not sweet. It's your type. Try it.
Do you like it? She'll have to say yes because she is doing the PR for them. So she'll have to say yes.
It's not their coffee. It's roasted. This is better than the latte, but this is like not my.
It's not really a coffee though.
It's coffee mixed with juice.
Yeah. There's a very strong taste of cranberry.
Yeah, because coffee mixed with juice. They tried to make a coffee mocktail with cranberry.
They've also given us this.
Latte is also like a.
Do you wanna ask them to add sugar or any sweetener?
I just checked their menu, but I'm not really wanting to have coffee. But ऐसी बोल देंगे कि साइड हो
कोई अकेला नहीं Update. So we are going to watch a movie. You want to tell them?
Devil Wears Prada 2. So excited.
Yeah, me too. Like मैंने बता दिया था कि हम plan कर रहे हैं जाने का, but it depends whether we get a ticket
We
or.
got the perfect timing also. We left the cafe and we got the perfect time slot for the movie. We left the cafe and our movie is for 7:15 and we're gonna reach at 7:10.
Yeah, so we are gonna be early by 5 minutes.
It's okay. इतना तो time pass करना है.
Ad भी तो होगा.
Shahi Paneer Masala from Everest.
Second caffeinated beverage in 2 hours.
I really need to talk to them as soon as possible.
Hi guys, it's the next day. I came back yesterday after watching the movie, and after I came back home, I got to know that I have fever. So I had 100 fever, and I didn't know that. But I was feeling a little uneasy. But after coming back home, I was feeling a bit warm, and then my mom checked my temperature and I had fever. But yeah, so that's why I didn't vlog anything yesterday. But today I am feeling a little better, and I am going, since it's too hot, I am going out to distribute food and water to people, and yeah, that's the plan for today. I am using this sunscreen from Skin 1004, which has Centella, and I just love this sunscreen because it just quickly gets absorbed into the skin and doesn't feel too sticky. I am taking like a good amount of it. It's too hot outside, and that's why I'm wearing this kurti. This is from West Side. I recently got this and it's so comfortable. I am low-key obsessed with West Side these days. They are killing it with their outfits, but at times I feel like their fit is not that great, if you know. Like this from the side, it is a little pointy. I'll have to get it altered, but for now I'm just wearing it. But yeah, it's a very pretty blue color. It has chikankari work all over it, and it has a cotton fabric with some linings. So love it. I am going to apply this matte lipstick, super light lipstick from Nykaa. Again, love the shade. And it's actually very lightweight, very comfortable on the lips. Like it doesn't feel too heavy. That's all I'm gonna do. And yeah, let's go out. Food is all packed over here. Okay, I came back after distributing food and I have quickly changed into my activewear clothes. That's how I'm looking. And also I went to Pilates last week for like 1 day, and I couldn't go for more classes because I was not feeling well. I was on medicines, but then I felt better and I went for 1 class, and now I'm again sick, but I am really pushing myself. I want to go. I don't want to miss my classes. Don't know whether it is the right decision or not, but let's go. Today was the most difficult class that I've attended ever, and now all of these stairs. I'm dying. Came back from Pilates and this is what I'm eating. Like I work out so that I can eat my favorite food, and this is golgappe, homemade, fresh, and yeah, let's have it. Okay, so I've stepped out again. It's the next day and I'm going out for a movie again. So yeah, I haven't done any makeup. I've only applied sunscreen and a lip tint. And this is what my outfit looks like. Very casual, super comfy. So let's go. Just look at the size of this.
हो रही है मैं अपनी